In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the low beam bulb on your GMC K1500. This is going to be located inside of the headlight housing. Let's get started. To remove the headlight assembly, we're going to remove these two 5mm rods using a 5mm socket. Pull the two rods out of the housing. And pull the headlight forward. To replace the low beam bulb, we're going to twist the bulb out. On the back, to remove the connector, pull up on these pins, push straight back, and remove the bulb. Install the bulb, click the connector on, install it into the housing, make sure that the clips line up to put it in, twist and lock it down into place. Install the headlight into place. Install the rods. Snug them down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.